What's coming up next? Fishies. No, fishies are just there. What's next? What's over there?
Tiger. The camel.
What's the camel's name?
Camel.
Is it Cotton the camel?
Cotton the camel.
Can you wave at Cotton?
Hi, Cotton.
What's over there?
Camel.
No, right there.
Simba.
That's right.
Yeah.
What sound Simba make?
Wow.
What sounds he make? Roar? Yeah. What's next?
Fishies.
No.
No, what's there? Can you see?
See the tiger?
Tiger.
What sound does a tiger make? Does it roar like a lion?
Fire.
There's the monkey.
Do you see the monkeys?
Smoky.
Yeah. What sound does a monkey make? Yay!
The dark, that's right. Choo choo. What's over here? The Watusi? Where are we? That's right, we're going in the dark.